We are Pakistan, part 46. Let's talk about the type of forest. In Pakistan, different types of forests are found. Their regional distribution, description, and importance are explained in the content to come along. Well, the irrigated plantations in Pakistan have got their advantages. Source of timber for construction, fencing, firewood. Leaves of the trees provide food for the animals. Fallen leaves from humus and increase soil fertility. Transpiration from the leaves brings more rainfall and lowers the temperature. Provide shade and shelter for people and animals. Absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Add so scenic beauty to the area and promise tourism. Control surface runoff and soil erosions. Provide employment to people in forest related jobs. Protect agriculture crops by providing shade and reducing water losses. Eucalyptus trees can reduce waterlogging and salinity. These are the advantages of irrigated plantations. Let's talk about the disadvantages. Well, the irrigated plantations in Pakistan also have got some disadvantages. Say, for instance, planting forest needs high initial investment but does not give quick returns or profits, no short term economic benefits. Trees need to be maintained and taken care of. So it needs money on regular basis. Need water, extra burden on limited supply. Loss of land for settlement, farmland and industries, transport and other uses. Illegal cutting of trees is difficult to check. Forest fires can cause damage to the environment. Now we talk about the determinants. Forests in Pakistan range from alpine forest in the extreme north to mangrove vegetation in the south. The density and type of forest are closely linked to the rainfall temperature, are closely linked to the rainfall, temperature, altitude, and soil type. Areas with different altitude have different type of forest. Aridity over Balochistan plateau and the southern Indus plain is not favorable to plant growth and results in thorny bushes and scrub. Higher precipitation in the northern mountains encourages coniferous evergreen forests. In salt water, the Indus and Hub deltas, the depositions of alluvium has encouraged the growth of mangrove vegetation. Edaphic factors, the soil type, also determine the type and density of forest in different areas. Well, coniferous forests grow in the northern areas, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Murree, and Balochistan hills. They consist of species like spruce and fir in high altitude areas which have adapted to the severe climatic conditions and often to poor soils. Coniferous trees are softwoods and are used to make paper after the foliage and bark have been removed from the trunk and the wood is ground up and treated with chemicals to produce pulp needed to make paper. The mangrove trees survive in salt water. Pretty interesting. Most trees are easily damaged or killed by the salt water, but that's not the case with mangroves. But mangroves are able to thrive in it. Their internal tissues are very salt tolerant and their roots filter out most of the salt from the water they absorb. Excess salt is carried to the leaves and excreted into the surface. The conservation and the sustainable development of mangrove forest can play a big role, and we'll talk about the same in our next video and then go ahead with it.